think there's something big coming. Oh no! Oh no! I should have paddled! Oh no! Oh, wow! Oh, here's another one. Oh, I haven't caught a wave yet. Come on! Still way bigger than I'd hoped. It's still 4 to 6 foot on the sets. Look at this one. It's nice if you're in the right spot, but it's not breaking nice at all. There's a bit of size there still too. Easily 4 foot plus. Ooh, look at this one. Woo. Oh, there's one behind it. We're going to get caught. Come on. Paddle, fat boy. Up the face. Woo. Yes! Woo! Finally! Hanging on for grim death here. Wow! I must have been out here for an hour to get that wave. Wow. Woo. Wave number 2. Keep it going. Oh yeah. Whoa. More than a little bit scary, if I'm honest. Come on, Huey, give me one more wave to make it 3. Oh. Oh no! Oh. To our feet. Woo. This is my wave in, I think. Can get past the rocks. Woo. Oh. Wow. This is sketchy big time. now. Oh, on the wrong side of the country, oh. Wow. Well, we got 3 waves. Better than nothing. Wow, I'm so cold now. Whew. Well, that was a humbling experience. Nearly 3 hours out there and I got 3 waves. In the last wave I could barely get to my feet because I felt like it was a steel rod through my hips from the cold. I'm really suffering from the cold at the moment, so yeah, pretty big. It was supposed to be dropping off the swell, but it certainly didn't look like it while I was out there. Have a look. There's guys out on this beach break out here. When I came in, there was somebody just tearing it up. They were getting some great waves. It doesn't look that big out there. It's deceptive, but it's breaking all the way across this way, and you get caught in the middle. Well, it's time for brekkie, I think. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Today just didn't happen. 3 waves, not a great wave count, but you can't have everything. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.